Hi viewers, welcome to the session VB script. Now, in this session, we'll discuss about the introduction to VB script, elements of VB script, and a part of elements of VB script. Now, coming VB script is introduced by Microsoft, which is a Visual Basic Script language and is used in automation testing tools like Quick Test Professional, and the newer version of it is Unified Functional Tool UFT. Then coming to the elements of VB script, these are the elements of VB script: variables, arrays, operators, control flow, procedures, objects, and dictionary objects. These are the elements of VB script. Now we'll discuss about a part of elements of VB script called variables. Now we have a question about what is variable and what is a constant. In the name itself, variables denotes that variable means it varies a stored value, and constant means it will not change can't change a stored value. That is the major difference between the variable and constant. It can be proved by using notepad, and first we have to know about how to assign a value to a variable. How a is equals to 10, it is an integer value. Variables may be integer value, double value, that is decimal values, then string values. It should be noted in inverted commas only. Then coming to again true value, boolean value can also be stored as a variable. Then how to how to assign no how to view a value, how to view a variable. For that, message box is a command. Message box B, message box C, message box D. Now we'll execute it. By P visual dot VBS. Okay, save, then minimize it or close it. Visual 10, 10.35, Microsoft, and a true value. Now the problem is about to know about what is a variable and what is a constant and the major difference between them. How to assign a value to a variable which can be manipulated during execution. Which can be manipulated during execution can be considered as variable, and which can't be manipulated during execution is called variable. Now for this variable we use dim as a command. A, then a is equals to 10, then message box a, again a is equals to 20. For the same value, for the same variable we have assigned another number, but it gives a resultant output. Now we'll remove it and save it. Now save it. mm, what will save this dot bbs, save it, minimize it, then see this 10 20. This is the variable. But how to assign a constant to a variable which can't be executed, which can't be manipulated during execution, called a is equals to 10. Now a is equals to 10. Similarly, we'll see it, but it will get an error. Save. See here 10 and an error occurred. Why? Because only one. Okay, edit. Now constant can't be store a value in only one variable, so we have to denote it by other. Now file and save. It can be saved this. Now okay, 20. This is the major difference between constant and a variable. Now how to declare, how to declare variables by implicit and explicit. In implicit, we have to use dim a, b, c. A is equals to 10, b is equals to 20, c is equals to a plus b. Then message box c. We should see the result in a variable called c. So you'll see it like this by using the command message box c. Then we'll save it, save as implicit dot vbs, save. Oh shit, we have done a mistake here. It should not be there, so we should overwrite it. Okay, 30. We got the value. Then again explicit. Coming to explicit option, explicit is compulsory for declaring the values in explicit mode. Dim a comma, dim a comma b comma c. We have three variables, so a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20, c is equals to a plus b. Then message box c. Keyword is needed for option explicit, whereas in option implicit it will not be needed. Then save as explicit dot vbs, save. Explicit 30. This is how to declare the variables. Now we have a small session about variables, how to declare variables. Let's wind up this session with this, and we'll continue this session with the arrays. Thank you.